Welcome, today I am with Marshall Minor 2 wired earphones and I'll show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at first you have to grab this plastic part and you have to focus on this indicator near this micro USB port. So to move these earphones to the pairing mode, you have to be sure that they are turned off, so this indicator cannot be cannot be highlighted on any like red, blue or white color. So to turn them into the pairing mode, you have to click and hold this gold button for 5 seconds until this indicator starts blinking on a blue color. Let's make it right now. Click and hold. Keep holding. Right now it's on the white and it turns to the blue. So we have to release. Then you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth. Of course you have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher and then find your Minor 2. Tap on them once. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So we can go for the information icon when you can rename or just change the device type. You can also disconnect and forget this device. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.